Welcome! Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's open the Play Store application, and here in search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing. Then just tap here to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher to turn it on, click OK, again OK, and go back. Then just tap here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard, and then tap here to OK. After that, just so we can see that all of the process is finished, and let's go, for example, into the Google search to see the look of new Oppo device keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.